Hi there, foodies. This is Stacy with WTI, and if you're looking to level up your cooking experience at home or you want a beautiful gift, you have to check out this paprika. This is from Hencher. This comes in a beautiful gift box that you can enjoy experimenting with and adding in to elevate all of your cooking. The flavors that it comes with are amazing. Even when you just look at them, you can tell that it is directly made in Hungary, and the paprika is really fresh as well. It has a beautiful, beautiful fresh smell and vibrant color that I have really enjoyed using in my cooking. The paprika comes in the smoked, the sweet, and the hot flavors in this box, and I have experimented with all of them, and I will tell you they add in a whole new elevation to different dishes. Whether I've cooked with it using it in a traditional Hungarian style dish, or I've mixed it in with spices where paprika was required in the recipe, I can definitely tell that it has a distinct flavor and a beautiful smell, and I love the vibrant color. The aroma that comes out of your dishes when you're using this is really, really wonderful. It will make you hungry immediately, and you get that wonderful paprika taste that really is distinct and brings out so much in different meals. I think that this gift box would be a perfect gift for someone. Buy one for someone else and get one for yourself, and you will notice the difference in your dishes right away. But that's just my point of view.